Hi there. My name is Marc REGNIER, owner-operator of Marc's Showroom Shine. I've been a professional mobile auto detailer for 20 years in doing cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and everything in between. I started detailing at the earliest level when I was just a teenager and started earning a full-time living at it since 2006 and still going strong, God willing. I specialize in exterior work, which includes washes, polishes, compounding, headlight and taillight restoration, light to medium scratch removal, clay bar services, window treatments, and paint protection using paint sealant. I use quality materials and employ methodical methods. Brand new microfiber cloths are used on each and every single vehicle restoration I personally perform. I have thousands of jobs under my belt and have numerous testimonials from satisfied customers over the years. Here is a sample of the quality of my work in today's video and what you can expect should you use my exterior detailing services. Use this YouTube QR code to get to my website. Note, I do not offer interior detailing. Sincerely, Marc REGNIER, owner-operator of Marc's Showroom Shine, Nova Scotia, Canada, 902-717-7177.
you.